.5 quake Kyrgyzstan-Xinjiang Border Region January 24, 2024 7:35 a.m. GMT +6. An earthquake of magnitude 5.5 occurred only 19 minutes ago 103 kilometers southeast of Karakol, Kyrgyzstan, the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFC) reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Karakol, Issyk-Kul, Kyrgyzstan, in the morning on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, at 7:35 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.